Hi, I'm Darryl. I'm the owner of Bigfoot Windows and Roofing, and this is my brother Brady. Before we show you who we are and what we do, we want you to understand why this company exists in the first place. Bigfoot is much more than just a business name to us. It's family. My brother and I grew up in a military household. Our father was an Army veteran, and he raised us with values that still guide this company every single day. Hard work, integrity, discipline, accountability, and doing the right thing even when nobody's there to see it. In the Army, our father's call sign or nickname was Bigfoot. He had a strong presence, a strong character, and he left an impression everywhere that he went. When we started this company, we knew we wanted the name to mean something real. We wanted it to represent strength, protection, and a standard people can actually feel. And that's why we named it Bigfoot Windows and Roofing.
I'm Brady, and I help oversee production side of the company. For me, that means making sure what gets promised is what gets delivered. Our father taught us that your name is only as good as your work. So when we take on a project, we take it seriously. Whether it's a roof, impact windows, doors, or structural work tied to any project, our job is not just to get it done. Our job is to get it done the right way, to communicate clearly, to pay attention to the details, to solve problems properly, and to make sure the homeowner feels taken care of from the start to the finish.
A lot of companies can talk about products and a lot of companies can talk about pricing. But when a homeowner is actually making a decision like this, especially here in Florida, it goes a lot deeper than that. You're not just choosing windows, you're not just choosing a roof. You're choosing who you trust to protect your home. You're choosing who's going to show up, communicate, follow through, and stand behind their word. And that's exactly what this company was built around. Not pressure, not gimmicks, not just trying to make a sale. We built Bigfoot to be the kind of company we would want taking care of our own family's home.
When we say protection, we mean it. Your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. It protects your family, your memories, your routine, and your peace of mind. That's why we believe homeowners deserve more than just a contractor. They deserve a team that actually cares about the outcome, a team that sees the big picture, a team that treats your home with respect.
Every project we take on carries our family name. And every time we put the Bigfoot name on a job, it's our way of carrying our father's legacy forward. His standards live in this company. His lessons live in this company. And the way that we serve people is our way of honoring him.
From our family to yours, welcome to Bigfoot Windows and Roofing.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to earn your trust.